This video translation into many language. You can find your language in the translation sections.
Hello friends, today I will share with you how to make neem oil at home for lice, hair thinning and dandruff, double hair growth. So friends, definitely try this amazing remedy at home. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So first we need neem. Neem's high fatty acid content is extremely beneficial for scalp health. A healthy scalp is one of the prime requisites for healthy hair. This is where neem can prove to be a savior, especially for those who have been suffering from increased instances of hair thinning and balding. Excess sebum, oil, production may also trigger hair loss by clogging the pores of the scalp. The clogging further gives rise to inflammation on the scalp that takes a toll on your roots, damaging them. Rinsing hair with neem water helps clean the scalp. It also clears the clogged pores and enhances hair growth. Second, we need onion for hair grow. Growing your hair is a task and requires time and patience. With the amount of time your hair takes to grow, and the trims you cannot avoid, it's hard to resist the urge to give up. I'm not going to lie, growing your hair does require a lot of patience, but it also doesn't have to be as painfully slow. Using growth-stimulating ingredients like onion can help boost the rate at which your hair grows while also adding volume. Third and last, we need lemon juice. Lemons contain antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium and potassium, and vitamins including C and B6, which are all important for healthy hair. Known as an aid to increase hair growth, its use can stimulate the follicles and scalp, reduce dry skin and remove excess oil. Three ingredients we'll be blending now. How to use this spray. This spray use only overnight. Because an overnight hairspray that helps stimulate the hair follicles by increasing circulation to the scalp for enhancing hair growth, which thickens the hair. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.